Hey, boo. Hey guys, views from the kitchen here. I'm Gio.
And I'm Dika.
And today we are making a recipe that our grandma actually sent us. In Brazil, it's called nega maluca, but it's basically just a chocolate cake. So let's get to it. I'm serious. Okay, let's go over the ingredients that we'll need.
So we're gonna be needing
2 eggs, 1 cup of sugar, half a cup of oil, half a cup of butter, 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of Nescau, you can use any chocolate powder you want, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, which is right here, and 1 cup of warm milk, which we're gonna warm up right now.
So guys, the first 4 ingredients that we're gonna mix in are the eggs, the sugar, the oil, and the butter.
So we're gonna do that right now.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And
So now that we're done mixing, we're going to be adding the flour, the chocolate powder, the baking powder, and the warm milk.
Yes. Guys, now that our batter is ready to go, we're gonna put it in the oven. We already put our oil, butter, spray, whatever you want in the pan, and the oven's preheated at 350. Hey guys, so while the cake is in the oven, we're gonna go over the ingredients that you'll need for the chocolate sauce that goes on top. It's really simple.
So you're going to be needing 4 tablespoons of chocolate powder. We're using Nescau.
2 tablespoons of sugar
4 tablespoons of butter.
and 2 tablespoons of milk. And then we're gonna go ahead and put that on low heat in a pan and just mix it until it all melts
sauce.
and blends. And then you pour that on top of the cake.
sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands.
Our sauce is ready and our cake is out of the oven, so we're just gonna pour it right on top and sprinkle with some sprinkles.
I sprinkle, you pour it.
Okay. And now we're gonna sprinkle. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. There's our cake.
Okay.
Enjoy.
Oh, you should go cop the merch. Don't buy it because we're not selling it. It got my.
The sun rays, and on we'll go.
You can put that in your bloopers.
Cake.
Guys, so not cool. Why are you using the microwave? Okay.
Shut up!
She's leaving the house.
Bye!